Alright, the fine-tuning argument. This is a bit nerdy. Let's just get through it. So, had any of a multitude of factors been a hair different, the universe would be unable to exist/inhabit intelligent life. So first, we have gravity, which is denoted by G, the constant gravitational pull. I'm not going to bother saying the equation. If this was altered by just 1 in 10 to the 60th power parts, the Earth would not be fit for human life. Now, to write this out as 1 in x, you would need to write about 3 times the amount of zeros, equivalent to the number of seconds that have passed since the Earth began existing. There's a lot of zeros. Have fun writing all that. So, expansion rates. That equation, ingrate it into your mind, because I'm not going to tell you it. I'm not even going to bother trying. So, all you need to know is that the cosmological constant is denoted by that. And you know exactly what I mean by that. That symbol, you have no idea what it is. It looks like a unfinished A. But we're going to call it a tenth, because I feel like it. Now, if this tenth was altered by just 1 in 10 to the 120th power parts, the Earth would not be fit for human life. Now, mass and energy. If atoms, photons, dark matter, and neutrinos, if I mispronounce that, flame me in the comments, were not precisely distributed by the precision of, get this, 1 part in the 10 to the 10th power to the 123rd power, life would not exist. I can't even use the same example of using seconds since the Earth started beginning to exist, because it's so many zeros. Now, unmentioned factors include the multiverse, the strong nuclear force coupling constant, the list goes on. And I'm not about to make a 10-hour presentation going over 150 plus different factors that, if they were different by the smallest margins, then the Earth would not be able to support human life. I'm not going to do that. I don't need to do that. These 3 factors alone leave us with billions upon billions and billions of zeros at the end of 1 in 1, whatever amount of zeros it is, again, billions and billions and billions. Those are the odds of this happening to be able to support human life. Now, there's only 2 explanations. Either chance or design. If you want to go with chance, then you better be ready to be struck by lightning. You better fear being struck by lightning every single time you go outside. So I'm going to go over a quick common objection, which is there are an infinite amount of universes, and we just happen to be in the fine-tuned one. As covered in the last episode, an infinite amount of things is logically incoherent. Hilbert's Hotel example. And also, let's go back to it. That is a completely faith-based claim. You don't know if there are actually an infinite amount of universes. We have no evidence of that. So, ironically enough, the atheist objection requires faith, which is something they mock Christians for a lot. Now, is this the best argument? I don't think so. I think the Clam argument's better. I think this argument works best on top of the Clam. But Richard Dawkins asserts this to be the best argument. Christopher Hitchens asserts this to be the best argument. And a bunch of the quote-unquote new atheists assert this to be the best argument. So, like I said, this works best when combined with the Kalam argument. This helps supports premise number 4, which states that the universe needs a creator. God could be the only thing to cause a universe. That's supported by all these fine-tuned constants and other nerd words. Alright? I'll link some further resources for this argument in the description. If you'd like to receive free resources on these subjects, then sign up for the first link in the description. It'll be sent over 100% for free. And also subscribe for future content. Thank you for watching.